Anusha from class 9th of MM Public English Medium School, Dodh, Sikar. We all are gathered here for debate. The motion being debated is Holi festival. In my opinion, Holi is known as the festival of color. It is one of the most important festival in India. Holi is celebrated with great zeal and enthusiasm in the month of March by the followers of Hindu religion. Holi is about celebrating happiness with friends and family.
I agree with you, but I have different opinion. Some people may be allergic to the chemicals used in holy colors. When they came in contact with these holy colors, it may cause many respiratory problems such as sneezing, runny nose and watery eyes.
Yes, I agree with you, but I have different opinion. Holi is called the festival of colors because people play with color and apply them to each other's face to get color in the essence of festival. The Hindu religion believed that there was a devil king named Hiranyakashipu. Long ago, he had a son named Prahlad and a sister named Holika. It is believed that he had the blessings of Lord Brahma. It is believed that he made a plan with his sister to kill the Prahlad. He made her sit in fire with his son on the lap, where Holika got burned and Prahlad come out safe. Thus people started celebrating Holi as a festival of colors, as the victory of good over evil.
Yes, I agree with you, but I have different opinion. Air quality during Holi. During Holi, the air quality can be compressed due to the large amount of dust and powder in the air. This causes the respiratory problems, especially for them. They are also caused by the respiratory problems. This also causes the eye allergies. Thank you.
I agree with you but have different opinion. The celebration of Holi, people celebrate Holi with utmost fervor and especially in the North India. One day before Holi, people conduct a ritual called Holika Dahan. People get up in morning and offer puja to God. Children run around splashing watercolors and using water guns. Thank you.
I agree with you, but I have different opinion. Holy colors are made from industrial light which contain chemicals like lead, mercury, chromium. Chemical can cause respiratory diseases like asthma, bronchitis and even lung cancer. Thank you.
I agree with you, but I have different opinions. People forgot their troubles and get indulged in this festival to celebrate the brotherhood. In other words, people forgot their enmities and get into the festival spirit. This festival of colors unites people and remove negativity from our life. Thank you.
Yes, I agree with you, but I have different opinion. During Holi, people throw color at each other, which can get inhaled and cause respiratory problems. When the powder inhaled, it can irritate the lungs and causing coughing, wheezing and shortness of breath. Thank you.
In conclusion, the chemicals in holy colors and the inhalation of colored powder can cause respiratory problems and many other side effects on our skin and our body. It is important to use organic and natural colors during Holi to avoid all these health issues. People suffering from respiratory problem take precautions such as wearing masks and avoiding from crowded places. Thank you. Wish you a very happy Holi in advance.